standard essential patent is basically with respect to telecom company. So I'll just give you the base ki why this term was in news. Now this is related to telecom industry. So this is first you have to remember. Now no doubt in telecom industry, okay, or to have a good performance of telecom industry, okay, so for telecom industry it is very important to set up some standards, okay. So it is very important to set up some standards, okay, like your mobile phone. If I talk about mobile phone, your mobile phone must have minimum standard, then only those mobile phones are allowed to be sold in India. So when I am saying minimum standard, it means they are able to ensure your data security, okay, they are able to ensure, you can say, apart from data security, they are able to ensure, you can say, cyber security, clear, plus other standards also, like we have in the form of GSM, CDMA. So these are the standards. No doubt these standards are set up by some private telecom organizations, or you can say group of private telecom organization. So again I am repeating it. Now to work in telecom industry, okay, to work in telecom industry, it is required that there should be some standards, okay, like I talked about data security, cyber security, plus you can say standard in the form of GSM and CDMA. Now these standards were set up by private telecom organization, or you can say group of private telecom companies, okay, that is at world level, clear. Now no doubt these technologies with respect to data security, cyber security, and you can say data security, cyber security, and GSM and CDMA are developed by some private companies, okay. Now if suppose these technology are set up by, for example, or you can say created by company A, okay, so it means all the companies have to purchase that technology, okay, from company A, and in that company A will be going to exploit other companies, clear, other companies, clear. So this is what is the concern with respect to standard essential patent. Now India does not have ruling for standard essential patent which says that if any technology has been set up as a standard, so it means anyone can copy it, okay. So this is what you have to understood. Nahi samajh aaya to I'll explain you again in simple language. If suppose, just take any example, if suppose there are 4 companies, that is company A, company B, company C, company D. Now all these 4 companies are having different technologies, okay, or you can say telecom technologies. Now if suppose at international level this company A technology is very good and it has been kept as a standard, means when I am saying kept as a standard, it means all the telecom companies will follow that standard. Now ultimately this technology of company A, okay, is, you can say, is developed by this company. Now other companies also have to follow the same standard. So it means they will request company A that please give us your technology, okay. And when they are requesting these companies, means these B, C and D are requesting company A to please give us that technology. So it means this company A will exploit company B, C and D, okay. So this is what is the concern with respect to this. So ultimately what we want, that if any technology has been set up as a standard, so for that there should be, or you can say with respect to that technology can be copied by anyone without any issue of, you can say, patents, okay, without any issue of patent. So this is called standard technology patent or standard essential patent, clear. So this news is with respect to that, clear. So I hope this base is clear to you. Now if you read the news, so here it is mentioned that India remains the only major economy that has not yet investigated the potentially abusive licensing practices of टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी दैट ओन स्टैंडर्ड असेंशियल पेटेंट. तो अल्टीमेटली कहने का मतलब है कुछ जिस कंपनी की टेक्नोलॉजी को स्टैंडर्ड बना दिया गया तो दूसरी कंपनीज को वही टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए तो उसको वो कॉपी करेंगी, तो कंपनी जिसने बनाया है तो वो उसके ऊपर पेटेंट इशू क्रिएट करेगा, क्लियर. बट अल्टीमेटली हमारे यहाँ पर कहना ही है कि अगर आप किसी टेक्नोलॉजी को स्टैंडर्ड सेटअप कर रहे हो, ओके, सो उसका पेटेंट फिर सभी को दिया जाए, क्लियर. मीन्स एनीवन कैन कॉपी इट विदाउट एनी पेटेंट इशू, Clear? So this is what. But in India, this practice is not followed. So that is why it's a concern. So we want that India must introduce or investigate into standard essential patent. Clear? तो अगर मेरी कंपनी की कोई टेक्नोलॉजी और वो स्टैंडर्ड बन चुकी है तो दूसरी कंपनी उसको आराम से कॉपी करे विदाउट एनी इशू. बट इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं है. तो मैं क्या करूंगा जब इंडिया में ये चीज नहीं है, मीन्स देर इज नो रूलिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू स्टैंडर्ड एसेंशियल पेटेंट, सो इट मीन्स आई विल डोमिनेट माई पोजिशन एंड आई स्टार्ट एक्सप्लॉइटिंग अदर कंपनीज बाय सेइंग दैट इफ यू वांट दिस टेक्नोलॉजी यू हैव टू पे मी. सो अगर आप देखोगे इसमें एक टर्म भी यूज करी गई है, लाइक इन नेक्स्ट पेज. So if you see, yes, in this page only, that is on page number 36, that lack of alternative also mean that SEP owners can demand extraordinary royalties or licensing from manufacturers that block competition. In economics, this is called as patent hold up problem. So this is the concern. Clear? And these standards, as it is mentioned again in, you can say that in one of the line, it is also dominated by standard setting organization run largely by private technology companies. Clear? तो जितनी भी टेलीकॉम कंपनीज है वो खुद ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है स्टैंडर्ड को सेटअप करने के लिए. गवर्नमेंट का इसमें कोई रोल नहीं है. नाउ you know that government of India is promoting, you can say, semiconductor, okay, or you can say we are promoting our digital economy directly. So ultimately we have to or we need to think over this, that is the standard essential patent issue. Otherwise it become a complex issue in our economy, and no doubt if we have not taken any action, so it means that our electronic product that is from telecom industry will be costly. Clear? Costly. And now why? You know the reason also. This is what you can say they have talked about in this article. So I hope this is clear to everyone.